Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And rather than being an UI UX designer, I'm also a logo designer as well. Okay, so I design actually logos, and I have designed for like some of the brands, some of the newer startups. So yeah, that's a kind of thing that I like to do, but not often. Okay, I like I do it like in very spaced manner, because logo is not my primary genre, but still I make it. Like, logo is something that would like if it comes to you, then it's great. If it's not, then you can't make it. Like, this like a few days back I have been trying to make one, and like logo is not like exact logo is not happening that time, so I didn't make anything. So that is kind of a thing, but today we are not talking about that. But today I have something really matlab, really secret, or whatever you want to call it, secret sauce. Not a secret sauce, but a processing strategy of me, or like whenever I design a logo, I visit through those two web pages. Okay, because I follow them a lot, like follow all of the principles a lot. I can remember, I have like now remembered all of them, but I still sometimes go through them, because just to like revise my knowledge. So what it is and where I got those, let me show you to you. Let's roll out the intro. So my secret sauce is basically these two blog from 99 Design. One is about Vista bought 99 Design. I didn't knew that. Whatever. So one is 7 type of logos, and another is the 6 key principles of logo design. And I am telling you another secret. Whenever I start logo making process, I actually send this to the client to get a response from him or her, which logo he want or she want. Okay, so this is really a secret that I am telling you right now. I shouldn't be disclosing all of this, because obviously those are business secrets. But still, as I am sharing a lots of resources from every now and then, so I share this too. So those two things. Now here what we have, here we have basically the logos, and here in one go you can understand what the logos that are presented over here, like what are the 7 logo types that we have. So first of all is abstract, mascot, combination mark, emblem logo, letter marks, pictorial, word marks, and there is another one that is actually oh no, not another one, like combination mark is that one, right? If I am not wrong, yeah, combination mark, yeah. So basically there are 6 logos, but combination mark is everything. Okay, like everything mixed up kind of a thing, right? If I'm not stating that wrong. Mascots, we have mascots, yeah, combination mark. A combination mark logo is comprised of combined watermark or letter mark or pictorial mark, abstract mark, or mascot mark. So whatever, there should be 2 elements of any logo, like the logo design things. Okay, so that's great. So that's about how many types of logo are there. So this is really a defining factor when I'm trying to design something. Okay, so when I get to it, I really like do little bit of research of the particular kind of logo I have to make. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm feeling sleepy, that's why it's happening. Whatever. So particular logo type of logo that I am making, I used to go through the mood boards a lot about that, and select a like particular type of logo. So what I do first is select a particular type of logo, like whatever the customers want. Or if the customer say I don't have a preference, then then that's really great, because uh, you can come up with any kind of logo idea in your mind, and you can just draw it and show it to customer. If the customer likes it, then great, right? But when customer have a particular logo type, that is something like you have to really really work hard on to get get a logo design in exactly that pattern. So that's sometimes a restriction, but yeah, most of the times it's okay. And the second thing is the six key principles of logo design. I have gone through these six principles a lot of times. Like, I have opened this page only a lot of them. You can see it is in my bookmark. Like, that's how much I have used it. Not, this is not in my bookmark, but this is in my bookmark, because I have visited this page again and again and again whenever I am trying to design a logo, because it have that everything every bit sort of thing that I need. So there are actually six key principles. That is, first of all, is simplicity. More simple your logo is, the more easily people gonna remember it. So that's one thing. Second is originality. So your logo should be original. Like, obviously it shouldn't be copy pasted from the Google. Third is versatility. So it should go on any surfaces, like, not any, like, surfaces you want them to show on. And it should work, like, it would be great if it works on both of the surfaces, like dark surfaces and light surfaces, but you can make color variation for your dark background logos and light background logos. So that's one thing. Fourth one, scalability. So this is actually, I think this should come first, then everything else. Because whatever logo you may make, it should be scalable. Because as you can see, 99 design have 99D. This is 99 design logo, and this is like literally this much small. Still, this is recognizable, right? And obviously this is called scalability. Even if it's like huge, I can recognize it, and even if it's small, I can recognize it easily. So that is what scalability stands for, and it's really really important. Fifth is balance or proportion. So obviously, in any kind of design you should have a balance, because rather than that it will look off, obviously. So that is something applicable for anything. Sixth is timelessness. So actually this point everyone bypasses, because like whenever a trend comes, everyone is designing logo according to this trend. But trends are what? Those will come and go away. Those are not gonna stay here forever. So we should always make a logo that is timeless regardless of the trends, right? So that's the point that everyone, like, not everyone, that most of the people like care less about, but they should take into consideration in with higher like higher position, or like we should keep it in like bigger top hierarchy or what. Okay, so that should be one of the most priority level of us when we are redesigning or designing a logo. So that's it about those two blogs, and I go through them a lot of times and I love them. So this is actually something I share from my bag of secrets to you. So yeah, that's about it about this websites and about this video. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, please let me know all of them in the comments. So I would really love to go through them and learn a lot from them. So that's it. Bye for now.